In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a sequence to a new project in Premiere Pro step by step, so you can move just one timeline into a clean, separate project without bringing along extra footage you don't need. This is super useful when you want to organize a large edit, hand off a sequence to another editor, archive a finished cut, or create a lean project file that only contains the media used in that one sequence. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Premiere Pro project and go to the project panel. Here, find the sequence you want to export into its own project. Make sure you click the correct sequence so you know exactly which timeline you're working with. If you have multiple sequences in the project, this step is important because you only want to move the one you actually need. Once you've selected the sequence, go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Project Manager. This is the tool Premiere Pro uses to collect and organize your project media for archiving, transferring, or creating a separate project file. After you click Project Manager, a new window will open with a few different options. In the Sequences box, check that only the sequence you want to export is selected. If other sequences are checked, uncheck them, so Premiere doesn't include more than you intended. This keeps the new project focused and avoids pulling in unnecessary timelines. Now, look under Resulting Project. This is where you define how Premiere Pro should build the new project. Select Collect Files and Copy to New Location. This option tells Premiere to copy the media that's needed for your sequence into a new folder, along with a brand new project file. It's the best choice if you want a complete portable version of that sequence. Next, make sure you enable Exclude Unused Clips. This is a very important setting because it tells Premiere Pro to leave out any media that is not actually used on the timeline. That means the new project will only contain the clips, audio, and assets that appear in your sequence, which helps keep the folder smaller and much more organized. After that, choose your destination path. This is the folder where Premiere Pro will create the new project and copy all the necessary media files. Pick a location that's easy to find, such as a desktop folder, an external drive, or a dedicated archive location. Once you've selected the destination, take a second to double-check everything before moving on. When you're ready, click OK. Premiere Pro will now begin processing the sequence and collecting all of the media it needs. Depending on how large your timeline is and how much media is involved, this may take a little time. Once it's finished, Premiere will create a brand new folder containing a fresh .prproj file and all the necessary media for that sequence. At that point, you can open the new project folder and launch the new Premiere Pro project just like any other project. You'll see that it contains only the sequence you selected along with the media required to play it back properly. This is a clean and efficient way to separate one edit from the rest of your project. And that's it. Now you know how to export a sequence to a new project in Premiere Pro. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Premiere Pro feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.